Suppose if you're using Microsoft Excel, okay, in this Excel worksheet, for example, I'm going to simply type here hi, or if I'm going to type here hello, etc. So suppose if you want to select these suppose if you want to extend the selection by one cell up, then you must simple method, that is you must go to your computer keyboard, and this is the shift key. You must press and hold the shift key. At the same time you must press this arrow key also, shift key and this key. So if you press these two keys here, you can see we have selected this. Again, if you press the shift key and this okay, at the same time, then you can see that one more cell above, you can select like this. For more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.